If you have a health brand that has an online presence, one question you've probably been racking your brain about is how you can increase organic web traffic to your website. Today, we're going to talk about the 1-2 punch that can help you do that. In other words, what 2 areas do you need to focus on in order to have that traffic rolling in? I want you to think about your website as your brand's hub, okay? This is the center of your brand's online presence. Yes, you may have social media sites. Yes, you may do email marketing, but the website is the center of your brand's home online. In that hub of your brand, you want to make sure that you have premium content. So let's imagine that your website was a house, a home, right? You want people to come to your house so that they can learn more about your brand. But if your home does not have anything to offer people when they come, then you are missing a major opportunity. So the first thing that you need in order to increase organic website traffic is you need to have something that lives at your hub that is going to attract people to it. That means your mission needs to be clear. Your message needs to be clear. Your position needs to be clear. Who you serve needs to be clear. And the way that you make sure all of those things are clear on your website are to have premium content, high quality content that brings those viewers in and provides them with information, education, entertainment that also educates them about your solution at the same time. For example, maybe you have a series of blog posts that answer frequently asked questions in your particular industry or space. Or maybe you have a series of videos that are embedded on your website and have translated or transcribed text underneath them so that people have the option of watching that video or reading the transcript. It gives you an opportunity to position your health brand as an expert in those particular areas. Later in this series, I'm going to be sharing more specific examples of what types of content you can host on your website in order to appeal to your ideal audience. The other great thing about having high quality content on your website is that it makes other people, other websites, other brands want to link back to your content because it supplements their content in some way. In the world of search engine optimization, backlinks are really important. That means other authoritative websites in your industry linking back to content on your website. The more high quality links or backlinks you build, the more authoritative and legitimate Google considers your website to be. So if you are creating high quality content that answers really important questions and other websites link back to that content and says to Google, hey, why don't you send some more traffic to this website? Speaking of SEO, that brings me to my second point. Search engine optimization basically means how do you optimize your content so that search engines like Google recognize it as high quality, valuable content for the people that you want to see it. When your content is search engine optimized, these search engines are more likely to send traffic to your website when people indicate that they have a question or are looking for some information that your website, your content is likely to provide an answer to. So if you can create irresistible, valuable content and pair that with search engine optimization, SEO, you start to usher in website traffic, organic website traffic. But the key here is that you're not just ushering in any traffic. The idea of content marketing is to bring in traffic, convert that traffic to leads, and convert those leads to sales. When you are creating valuable content about a very specific subject and traffic is coming in search of that content, that means that traffic is highly targeted. The people who are coming to your online home are more likely to be leads and then more likely to convert to customers, clients, or buyers, which is wonderful for your health brand. SEO content marketing is extremely important to the digital health companies that I work with through my health content marketing agency, Stockrow was Created. And we actually offer a quarterly content subscription that allows us to create high quality content on your behalf. I'm NICHOLE. I'm a public health pharmacist turned healthcare copywriter and content strategist, and I help innovative health companies develop and execute culturally relevant content strategies so that they can increase brand loyalty, establish themselves as thought leaders in their industries, and increase their bottom line. So if that's something that you're interested in, head to the description box and find the link where you can schedule a chat with me. We can talk about whether we might be a good fit for each other. I welcome you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you know when new healthcare content marketing tips are available for you, which is every Thursday, by the way. I'll see you next Thursday.